Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we're going to talk about one of the most successful and popular boxers in the world, Canelo Álvarez. Canelo is a Mexican professional boxer who has won multiple world championships in 4 different weight classes, from light middleweight to light heavyweight. He is also the first and only fighter to become the undisputed champion in the super middleweight division. But did you know that Canelo had a tough childhood and faced bullying because of his red hair? In this video, we are going to explore how Canelo overcame his challenges and rose to the top of the boxing world. Canelo was born on July 18, 1990, near Guadalajara, Mexico. His real name is Santos Saul Álvarez Barragán, but he got the nickname Canelo, which means cinnamon in Spanish, because of his red hair and freckles. His hair color is rare in Mexico, where most people have dark hair and skin. Canelo inherited his red hair from his mother, Ana Maria, who also has red hair. His father, Santos Álvarez, was a professional boxer, and Canelo followed in his footsteps at the age of 15. Growing up in a barn, Canelo learned to ride horses, a hobby he still enjoys today. He also had 6 brothers and 1 sister, all of whom became professional boxers as well. His older brother, Rigoberto, was his inspiration to start boxing when he was 13 years old. Canelo had an impressive amateur career, winning several regional tournaments and the Mexican National Junior Championships in 2006. However, Canelo's life was not easy. He faced bullying and discrimination because of his red hair and pale skin. He was called names like jicama con chile, which means jicama with chili flakes, a popular snack in Mexico. He was also teased for being Irish, as some people believed that his red hair came from his Irish ancestors who fought for Mexico in the St. Patrick's Battalion during the Mexican-American War. Canelo was often challenged to fights by older and bigger kids who wanted to test his courage and skills. Canelo did not let the bullying get to him. He used it as motivation to train harder and become stronger. He said in an interview, "I've always liked challenges. I don't like it when people tell me I can't do something." He also said, "I learned to live with it. I'm proud of my hair color and my skin color." He proved himself in the ring by winning fight after fight with his speed, power, and technique. He became a professional boxer at the age of 15, making him one of the youngest debutants in Mexican boxing history. Canelo's career took off when he signed with Oscar de la Hoya's Golden Boy Promotions in 2010. He won his first world title in 2011 when he defeated Matthew Hatton for the vacant WBC light middleweight belt. He then defended his title against several opponents, including Shane Mosley, Austin Trout, and Alfredo Angulo. He also moved up to middleweight and super middleweight divisions, where he faced some of the best fighters in the world, such as Floyd Mayweather Jr., Miguel Cotto, Gennady Golovkin, Daniel Jacobs, Sergey Kovalev, and Callum Smith. Canelo's most recent achievement was becoming the undisputed super middleweight champion in 2021, when he defeated Billy Joe Saunders and Caleb Plant to unify all 4 major belts: WBA, Super, WBC, IBF, and WBO. He became the first Mexican boxer and the 6th boxer overall to achieve this feat. He also broke the record for the highest attendance for an indoor boxing event in the U.S., with 73,126 fans at the AT&T Stadium in Arlington, Texas. Canelo is widely regarded as one of the best boxers of his generation and one of the greatest Mexican fighters of all time. He has a record of 59 wins, 39 by knockout, 2 losses, 1 by decision and 1 by disqualification, and 2 draws. He is ranked as the #1 pound-for-pound boxer by several media outlets and organizations. He is also one of the most popular and marketable athletes in the world, earning millions of dollars from his fights and endorsements. Canelo's story is an inspiring example of how someone can overcome adversity and achieve greatness through hard work, dedication, and passion. He did not let his appearance or background define him or limit him. He used his talent and skills to make his dreams come true. He is a role model for millions of fans around the world who admire him for his courage, humility, and generosity. He is a true legend of boxing and a proud representative of Mexico. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and give feedback.